So what's up, everybody? It's Mike here at Find Your Cards. We're busting in a box of 12-13 certified hockey. Just did a case break there on Friday. Man, we had a wicked hit there. We pulled a 1-of-1 made in Canada Ryan Getzlaf out of the case there. So this is a different case. This case we're still waiting on the hot box. This is box number 5 of that. So maybe tonight's the night. We'll see. Alright, let's crack into it. Here we go. Actually, I got eBay current time too. Sorry, I should do that. I'm rushing things here. I'm getting excited. I'm hoping this is the hot box. eBay current time for those YouTube viewers. I always like to do that so they know that we're actually breaking live. It's 21:39:29, so I'm a few minutes late starting here on the 11th Jan. But that's alright. Sometimes that's the way she goes. Alright, I just slid it in the box and time to get going. Glad to have you all along for the break here. Feel free to put your 2 cents in as I'm busting it. We got 10 packs here. We got 5 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll just mix it up like that. So here we go, pack number 1. And we're following this up with fully certified after. Alright, so we're going to start it off with the certified signatures for the Pittsburgh Penguins. We have Robert Bortuzzo. And it's not the hot box, so we're still waiting on that. So stay tuned for upcoming breaks again there. Alright, we have Columbus Blue Jackets, Sean Hunwick, rookie. Blue Jackets, Hunwick, rookie. St. Louis Blues, fabric of the game, TJ Oshie. That's out of $2.99, this version here. That's the base version of it. Oshie. Path to the Cup, Capitals, Bruins, Thomas Alsner. That's the $3.99 version. Certified Stars Rangers out of $9.99. Lundqvist. I don't know how many I pulled of these now. I should probably pull like 10 of them, something like that. I'm not sure if you're checking this out, Matt. I can't show it on right now because I'm still waiting for the person to pay up, but I had a wicked pull out of the totally certified last night. Very, very nice one. We got a value collector. We have a freshman signature red. You have to give me a double check on this, which team he's with. Honestly, don't know. It's Philippe Cornet. Freshman signature red. Check on that after. Not up on my Cornets. We have Ryan Ellis, Predators, $1.99. Path to the Cup out of 99. We have Devils, Flyers, Parise, Van Riemsdyk. Random off that after. Last pack, here we go. And then I'll check on the Cornet and I'll do the randoms. We have Immortals out of $9.99. Mike Bossy, Islanders. So there we go. I will check on the Cornet and then I will do the random at the end. Randoms right after that. So here we go. Check on Cornet. Randoms come up. So that's for the Oilers. So Oilers it is for that there. And that was, I believe it was red there, so. Signatures mirror red. I believe that is. I'm just going to double check that again there. Philippe Cornet, yep. So there we go. Lots of those redemptions haven't been put in yet. Alright, time for the random. We'll get that going here. Actually, I knew Cornet was the Oilers. Alright, we're going to start with the non-jersey, so I'm going to start with the Bruins caps there. I'll get that set up, and then we're going to start into the totally certified right after that. So, the Bruins caps, this is the out of the $3.99. What I'll do is I randomize it 3 times. The team that's on at the end, you get the card. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. It's going to the Bruins. Bruins it is. Next up we have the Caps Flyers for the jersey. It's at $9.99, and that's Parise Van Riemsdyk. So we got Devils, Flyers. Here we go, same deal. Do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that's going to the Flyers. Alright, Van Riemsdyk Flyers. Alright, so there we go. That wraps up the certified. Next up, we got the totally certified here in a sec. Thanks for joining me there for this box break of the certified. Still have the hot box to go, so 3 box go. Not doing it tomorrow. Probably not till Wednesday, but stay tuned. Check it out. Hot box to go. Alright, and so we'll get started on the totally certified.